Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In The Money Stocks. Today is March 22nd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, a stock we're going to take a look at today. Some of you may know it or be familiar with it. It's called TransCanada Corp, and this is a company that makes oil and gas pipelines. And as you all know, we are going to probably see the Keystone pipeline be built, and again, we'll see how that plays out, but this could be a beneficiary. But when I look at the stock, it topped out right here in January 25th on the news of the Keystone pipeline, and you can see the stock has really been selling off ever since. Now we want to look at where would we own this stock for a potential long side trade, and you have to look lower. Right now, what you're going to notice here is stock has been making lower highs, and it is trading below its 50 and 200-day moving averages. And anytime a stock does that, it's in a weak technical position and ultimately wants to go lower. Today, the stock is up by about 15 or so cents, but again, when you look at the overall choppy pattern, it is a consolidation base to drop and go lower. But the million-dollar question is, where are we going to buy this name? And for that, I like to go to the weekly chart. And whenever you go to the weekly chart, what you want to look at is where did the stock put in a pivot. A pivot just means where did the stock put in a low or a high. And what you're going to notice here is that you go back to you go back to October 31st, the week of October 31st, 2016. The stock put a low in right around 42.70, 42.72. Right here, you can see a low pivot around 42.69. So we know in this area right here, we have vibration. And why we like this area a lot is because you had a big sell-off candle here, and this is where the stock found low and reversed and actually climbed above. Anytime a stock can climb above a wide range red bar, that is a sign of strength. So we know the institutions want to support this stock in this general area. So if you ask me, what I'm going to say is I will be a buyer of TransCanada right around 42.50. Now, could it be 42.60, 42.75? Certainly. But anywhere in that area, that is where you want to look at this stock. So I'm just going to put some lines right here. Stock gets down to this area right here. This is where you step in on the long side. Stock should easily get back up to $48, potentially back up to its double top, and maybe even go a little bit higher than that. But this is the trade. It's very, very simple. Get in the stock around the 42.50 area. You put a weekly chart close below 42 bucks. You're really not risking all that much, and your upside potential is probably at least 5-6 points immediately. I think that's very, very doable to get back up to the $48 level. So again, that's how you analyze this chart, and we'll see if it plays out. But again, we'll look at TransCanada once again if it gets down to around that 42.5 level for the upside. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. You'll see all of our chart setups. You'll get our cycle work. You'll get all of our content, our daily market report, and our nightly analysis video. And you'll also receive our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. We show our charts. We show the screen. You ask the question, and we answer it. So again, we do that twice a week on Thursdays, and we also do that on Sunday evenings. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Come on over, try the Research Center out. We will see you on the charts.